Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share how to make soft and fluffy pancake. So keep watching and let's do this. First I'm going to add 5 cups of all-purpose flour in a sieve and pass it through the sieve to avoid sands or dirt. I will proceed by adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix well to combine and set aside. In another bowl, I'll crack in 4 eggs. Whisk very well. I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of milk, and 8 tablespoons of melted butter. I'll give it a good mix and set aside. Delicious. Next, I will combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will mix well to combine and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also fry immediately. Make sure that your batter looks like this, not too thick and not too light. That way you will be able to achieve a soft and fluffy pancakes. To make the pancakes in a heated pan, I will add some melted butter and allow it to heat up. I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to scoop my pancake mix into a pan. I will spread it like this and fry on a medium to low heat. Flip it when you see bubble on top of the pancakes and allow the other side to cook. I'm going to repeat the process until I am done.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
At this time, I'm done making the pancakes. I'm going to open one for you. Look at how airy, soft and fluffy it is. There are many ways to make pancakes. This one is more like waffles and is best enjoyed with fruits and ice cream. You can also enjoy it with anything you prefer, but trust me, the combination of fruits and ice cream is superb. Try it and thank me later. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.